Hello and welcome to a YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Excel function to return the inverse of a matrix. Before you start using the formula, you need to make sure that the original matrix is a square matrix. What I mean by square matrix is the number of rows are equal to the number of columns in the matrix. In this example, I have three matrices, so I will highlight the area for the new matrix. On the first one, I have two rows by two columns. The second one, I have three rows by three columns. And the third one, four rows by four columns. And after I show you how to get the inverse of matrix, I will show you how to check your solution. All right, to start, click here and highlight two rows and two columns. Start with equal sign, MINV, and once you see the function start to emerge here, hit tab. The function looking for array, simply highlight the matrix, close parentheses, and hit Control Shift Enter. I format the cell to second decimal just for the simplicity of the example. Okay, on the second one, highlight three rows, three columns. Equal sign, MINV, hit tab, highlight the matrix, close parentheses, and hit Control Shift Enter. And the last one, highlight four rows, four columns, equal sign, MINV, hit tab, highlight, close parentheses, Control Shift Enter. Here we go. So we have the inverse of each matrix. To check your solution, make sure that you get the right one. I'm gonna highlight three area here and show you how to make sure that your solution, that this is the right inverse for this matrix. In linear algebra, we know that if you multiply a matrix by its inverse, you get another matrix. We call it identity matrix or a unit matrix. The identity matrix is a square matrix with ones on the main diagonal and zeros everywhere. So if you multiply this matrix by its inverse, you get ones here, here, and zeros everywhere. And if you multiply this one by its inverse, you get one here, one here, one here, and zeros everywhere. All right. To do that, you highlight this area and hit equal sign MM, and you see the function start to emerge here. We're going to multiply two matrices. Hit tab. First array, you highlight this, comma, and you highlight the other one. Close parentheses and hit Control Shift Enter. So here we go. You get ones on the main diagonal and zeros everywhere. The second one, you highlight this and hit equal sign MM, and you see the function start to emerge. Hit tab, you highlight the first matrix, comma, you highlight its inverse, close parentheses, hit Control Shift Enter. The third one, you highlight this area, tab, you highlight this, comma, and its inverse. Close parentheses and hit Control Shift Enter. So here we go. This one, it is the identity matrix of multiplying the original matrix by its inverse. You get ones on the main diagonal and zeros everywhere. Thank you for watching.